Okay, e-skate builders and Raptor riders. I'm not really happy with that intro. It sort of sucks. I need to work on that. But anyway, I'm back. I'm back with another video. What do I want to say? Okay, so it's been 4 days. 4 days packing my garage. It's late now. It's like nighttime here. The garage is packed up. Had a shower, having a beer. Had a beer. But I wanted to say, quick update. So, my desk used to be there. This desk behind me is still a mess, but there's not that much stuff there. Not much stuff left on that shelf. I gave a lot of any of the good parts that were there. I actually gave to a mate who's going to be liquidating all that stuff. He's actually on the e-skate forums. Now he's doing the count and he's going to be selling the parts. So bearings, wheel pulleys, trucks, maybe no trucks, truck risers, deck bolts, bearing spaces, all that stuff. So check that out on the e-skate forum, e-skate builders forum, and you can get a good deal. There's all my shelving. I'm not sure if I'm gonna actually use any of that in my new garage. I mean, maybe I'll start bringing Raptor 2s into the country and use my place as a little distribution hub or something. I don't know, but I got lots of boxes of stuff here. 4 days, man. Jeez. And then there's this used to be like my packing bench for small orders as well. And I used to put all the pulleys and stuff in there. It's an absolute mess at the moment. So anyway, the plan is tomorrow morning early, I've got to get up and I've got to sort this bench out. There's a mess there. Sort that bench out and then dismantle the rest of those shelves, sweep the floor, and I'm done. And then I'm going on a ride, a little group ride with some lads, e-skate. Forget what the official Facebook page is, something like SA e-skate something. So check that out. If you're in South Australia and you're wondering who to ride your skateboard with, you can ride it with these guys. But tomorrow we're doing Henley Beach or Henley Square to Glenelg, which is about 7 Ks there. We're going to have a burger, a few beers, because it's going to be freaking hot. It's going to be like 41 degrees Celsius, which is sort of hot. So maybe a few beers, but don't drink and drive, because that's bad. So maybe two light beers, because I'm pretty sure if the police actually pulled you over and breathalyzed you on an electric skateboard, you'd get done. Anyway, okay, that's an update for today. I will be trying to do these every day for the rest of ever. Good news, the Raptor 2, the new production team, the new project management team, took them a little bit of time to sort the shit out. Basically, that's the reality of it. Sort the shit out. Going through all the parts, quality checking everything, working out everything that had a problem and separating it all and getting all the good stuff and putting it together and building it. But guess what? 52 skateboards have been made in the last 2 days. And 26 got shipped yesterday and 26 are going out today. That is more than what my previous team did in a month. So that's why we fired our last team. That's why we've gone through this heartache and pain to get results. And we're getting results, and that's all that matters. So it's good. Now, I'm pretty sure anyone who ordered on Kickstarter, that actually means, I'm pretty sure that means you're getting your board. That covers, I don't want to officially say this because my team will kill me, but I've got a feeling it officially covers the Kickstarter. Now, this might sound crazy to you, but that might make us officially the fastest ever Kickstarter electric skateboard campaign that was successfully funded, the quickest time from funding to shipping. I'm looking at you people in the camera there. So that's a proud moment. I need to fact check that. Anyone wants to like write a comment and say that I'm wrong, because basically here's the dates. We said shipping after May. This is our Kickstarter deal, right? We said shipping after May 2017, which yeah, I mean, any after May 31st, I guess. So June, six, 7 months? No, is that right? I could be wrong. I'm calculating this on the fly, and I've had 2 beers, so I could be wrong. But there's a chance we're the fastest ever electric skateboard Kickstarter campaign to ship. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye.